Welcome to our series of videos designed to guide you through the installation of the MagrowTec Boom Kit system. We're committed to ensuring a smooth and hassle-free installation experience for all our growers. This system, adaptable to any crop sprayer, consists of two primary components, the magnetic manifolds and the magnetic spray line rods. Crafted from high-grade cast aluminum and 304 stainless steel, these components assure durability and reliability. The required quantity of each component will vary depending on the size of your sprayer. Your pre-installation will identify any additional non-MagrowTec parts needed to complete your installation. Please note, all MagrowTec parts have a maximum operating pressure of 11 bar or 160 psi. Before you start, take a moment to thoroughly read this installation manual. It is crucial to understand the installation process to ensure the best performance from your MagrowTec system. We also recommend completing the MagrowTec Boom Kit video training on the dealer portal before commencing your installation. This will familiarize you with the process and highlight any essential pre-installation checks, such as the pressure tests to ensure your sprayer is in good working order. For all sprayers, you will need a custom mounting bracket for the MagrowTec Boom Kit manifolds. Remember, it's the dealer's or customer's responsibility to fabricate and install this bracket. In the next video, we'll review the safety aspects to keep in mind when installing a MagrowTec Boom Kit system. We're here to ensure you get the most out of your MagrowTec system safely and efficiently.